How to fix SteamVR error 499. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a specific troubleshooting step for you to be able to fix this issue if you're encountering error code 499 on VR Steam. So first is a video or VR error code 499 is actually a video encoder error, which actually your GPU may not be supported or you may need to update your computer's graphic driver. To do that, just simply access your Windows search by typing in driver. Click this so that you will be redirected into your device's control panel. And then once you're here, select the current driver that you're using, which is your graphics driver. So for example, this one, you just have to right click on the current driver that you have and choose on update driver. Now you're gonna have to update this into the latest version because you're gonna be using a VR gadget plugin into your Steam client. The next thing that you can do is to go back into the Windows search and then type in graphics. Now click on graphics settings. And from here, just simply click on browse and then look for your Steam client main folder and make sure to set this into high performance. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Steam VR error 499.